Hi guys, Tony Young here. Today we're going to take a peek at our Forester 2401B, which is a diesel Mercedes-Benz chassis. For more in-depth look at this coach, please check out Forest River's YouTube page. Okay, today we're going to start off in the kitchen of this unit. One of the first things that we'd like to talk about, for this size of coach, it's a pretty good sized kitchen, lots of countertop space, especially when you consider how functional we make the 2-burner stove with a nice cover on that to gain some countertop space there, and with our sink having a nice cover over that can be used as a cutting board or a cover up to have some more countertop space. Deep sink in this, very functional, very easy to clean. One of the things that we do to even gain more countertop space in this coach is that we're putting a convection microwave oven instead of having an oven down here and a microwave up here. This gives you more, obviously, overhead cabinetry and still the functionality of being able to bake something in the convection microwave oven. In the cabinets above, you'll notice that there's no separating wall here, so you can put large plates, platters, that type of thing, any small kitchen appliances, blenders, plenty of room up there. You're talking about our 1.3 cubic foot microwave. This is large enough to fit a standard 11-inch dinner plate. It's not one of your smaller microwaves where you have a real problem there. Moving on. One of the features that we changed this year is our refrigerator. We're very excited about this. We've had this for a few months now. It's a 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. It's not a two-way fridge. There's no propane in this, so one of the things that we eliminate is a vent on the outside of the coach. The next thing you'll notice is just how large it is. Typically in this size coach, you'll have a 6 cubic foot fridge, sometimes an 8. We're talking 10.7 cubic foot, glass tempered shelves, no vent on the exterior, interior venting. That's all you need in this, and it really cools down fast. You're looking. Okay, we're in the bedroom now of this coach, and the first thing that we want to point out is our black diamond walnut cabinetry. We failed to mention that earlier when in the kitchen, but this is our black diamond walnut. In this coach, it's also available in a lighter colored cabinetry, which is called Vermont Oak. Please check our website for that. Really, in a 24-foot coach like this, we really like to talk about our queen walk-around bed. It's easily to get in and out of this bed. You're not going to disturb your partner if you're trying to get up in the middle of the night, and it's way easier to make the bed as opposed to a corner bed. Also, there's a standard 12-volt TV in this bedroom. Your thermostat is very easy to locate from the bedroom. You don't have to get up and walk towards the living room of the coach. And a ton of storage in this coach. If you look here, plenty of storage for all your hanging clothes. We've got drawers down below, and of course another big cabinet here. That's where our seat cushions are right now. You can get a good idea of just how much storage there is in this Mercedes-Benz series coach. Moving on to our living area in this coach. This coach comes standard with a U-shaped dinette. One of the things that we really like to talk about in this is our full extension storage doors underneath. We have real wood storage doors down here, and they're all full extension. If you look at a lot of our competition, they'll only come out about 75%, and you're reaching to the rear of that cabinet to get anything that may get stuck in the rear. So this obviously turns into a bed. What's really happening here is this tabletop is dropping down and sitting on this ledge. Your cushion comes out, and then you've got sleeping for two here. Here, separating the bedroom from the living area, a really nice bank of cabinets here. Again, with full extension drawers in here, and then some more storage, shoe storage down below. Aside from this dinette, one of the options that we recently implemented is a 12-volt theater seating option. So you'll have two recliners here. coming back. Nice feature if you're not interested in the U-shaped dinette. Moving on to the front of the coach, we're going to show you our bunk area up here. We do have this coach available with a Trekker low profile front cap, so you get a more aerodynamic front cap. Gives you a little bit better vision out of the front of the coach, but you lose a sleeping space, so then you would have a 32-inch 12-volt TV centered with cabinets on both sides. In this coach, however, we've got a 12-volt TV, still 32 inches, on a swing arm, and you can see that just very easily goes back and forth. Another thing that we talk about in this coach is our 2 windows on each side of the front cap. A lot of our competition is going to have 1 window, and in some cases no windows at all in the front cap. As you can see, this bunk is easily converted into a sleeping space. All you do is pull this front cushion forward. The ladder stows away over there. Put up the ladder, now the kids can hop right up there.
The Forester MBS is equipped with One Control. This is an app-based user interface that provides comfort and convenience to control and monitor your RV's functions from an LED touchscreen or smartphone. Simply search for the network in your Wi-Fi settings and enter the password provided with your Forester MBS. You will automatically be connected.
Thanks for joining us today on this quick tour of our Forester 2401B. Be sure to check out this video and others on YouTube. If you haven't already, be sure to go to Forest River Class C Motorhomes Facebook page and give us a like.